Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to resolve some of the issues we've been having with Swift Playgrounds, namely that they have been hanging. As you might imagine, we are not the first people to run into this problem. This link here shows a solution to the problem, and that's what this conversation is based on. Basically, the problem is we are creating an iOS Swift Playground, and something is going wrong with what is called UIKit. For what we are doing right now, we don't need UIKit. We really don't even need an iOS playground. So if you have an existing playground, here's how to solve the problem. First, we need to display the utilities. So at the top, we will click on this icon here. So this turns blue. This now reveals the utilities. And we have a choice of the document or documentation and help. We'll stick with the document. And then we want to change the playground settings from iOS to macOS. And that should be all that's required. You will need to remove this line that says import UIKit. You can either delete it or comment it out. I'll just delete it because UIKit no longer applies. At this point though, any of the Swift that we have written before and will be writing will still work here just fine. Now if you make a playground from scratch, when you go to new playground, you can actually do this initially. So when you make a new playground, make a blank macOS playground, and then you will also be in position to have a crash-free experience as you work on Swift. Any questions, ask myself or Perna. We would be glad to help.